What's good, my people? Welcome to Caribbean Vibes Adventures. Today I'm downtown boardwalk of the Mullican. I think it's the second time I come down to this part of Puerto Vallarta. A lot of person didn't know that the movie Predator was recording in this port in the jungle. So at the Mullican is like 4 miles to reach down here. So I'm down here today trying to get some videos, as you know, as usual. I think there's 3 shipping ports today, so downtown is really busy. In downtown Puerto Vallarta. Getting a tour today. This is my cab driver, Mr. Mario.
Hola amigos, Mario Brown.
How are you doing, sir?
Good, bien, andamos. Vallarta, Puerto Vallarta, México. Here.
Where are you taking me today?
Need a tour, man.
Tour.
Take a tour for that town, old town. Look at the street, the cobblestone street. Look at it. It's not good for the car.
Making the car vibrating. This street is made from strictly river stone.
Yeah, man. México.
Hola. How are you guys doing?
Fine. How are you?
Blessed.
Welcome to Mexico.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Got a salmon. Awesome. Boss is all covered in sun. Trying to get as much videos I can get from down here. Yeah guys, I know a lot of you guys are anticipating and waiting for the whale watch video, but it's coming pretty soon. It's coming pretty soon. I talked to the guys in Cabo and they're telling me that in the middle of December to January, that's when the whale watch season begins. That's when the marine animal will be migrating from the colder weather to head on to the warmer part of the Pacific Ocean. I can't wait. Look at that. This water never get calm. We have a lot of shops, restaurants. Squidward.
Well, what is that SpongeBob? What is a SpongeBob?
So where's SpongeBob? Oh, SpongeBob right here.
Yeah.
Hi, SpongeBob. So unique.
Yeah, this one I made it, amigo.
Very nice.
All my puppet.
Nice.
Luigi, this is good. Mamma mia, mamma mia!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
Gonna try to find my driver now. 'Cause there's so much stuff. But I thought he was gonna come out to show me around. He is actually in the car. Mr. Mario. After leaving from the Mullican, I didn't know river was in Mexico, man. Look at it, beautiful river. I want to go across, but I have to be careful. The road is extremely busy. Playing on these streets. See that? Guys, look at that. Look at the crocodile. There's a baby crocodile in the river. You see that, guys? Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a baby crocodile right here. Maybe trying to catch something. And the bridge is vibrating. The truck over the bridge is vibrating. Let me get out of this bridge. Yeah, I saw a small baby one.
Big one.
It's a small baby one.
Big one. Big one.
So-
Small one. Oh.
So they put him in the river for attraction.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. this is still considered as downtown, the old town.
Like los muertos, but it's the river, you don't start the river, it's by the muertos, you don't start here, by los
Okay.
muertos, the area. Then you go by the old town, by the over there, by the nice view,
Okay.
then the beautiful houses, then go open.
And all of this road is made from stone. Strictly stone made from, the road is made from. Where did they get so much stone from to make this road? Like 4 miles.
Yeah.
The road is 4 miles and it's all stone. All stone.
I don't know where it's from, the river or
Yeah, it's river stone. It's river stone.
But the same, the river stone is this one, the same.
Yeah.
Mismo tamaño. La palapa, el dorado. Yo creo que esta, el dorado y la palapa, yo creo que esta. Palapa y dorado. Nice place.
The houses are beautiful up there. Beautiful hilltop view. Look at the houses.
Expensive. Here is expensive, a lot of money.
Yeah. Expensive.
Yeah. Too much money for the rent. Apartments. Expensive money. The hotel is almost $millions.
Millions. A lot of tourists in
Yes, here
today.
is Canadian, Canadians también, los Canadian.
Big revenue for the country.
Oh, it's expensive here, man. Everything. Food, expensive. Drinking, expensive. Lot of money. Here, more money.
Well, for me, the drinking is out of it.
One beer, $5.
$5.
One beer. One water, $2. $2. For the liter water. So,
Like anywhere you go in the world where it's tourist destination, the price is always different. So in Jamaica, where it's tourist destination, there's like Montego Bay, Ochi, and Falmouth Pier. It's actually the same. Where the price is different because remember you have to pay to keep the city clean. There's a lot of work going into it. I totally understand. My people, sorry if I'm coming in a little bit hoarse. I have the flu. Been sick for a couple of days. I'm trying to get better. The work have to go on. Traveling, my people. Mexico is a beautiful place. I've never worried when I'm in Mexico, like thinking anything is gonna happen. Always the vibe out, getting in the videos, making memories. Going to Conchas Chinas. Conchas Chinas. All the way to the top of the mountain. is residential here. All the big houses and the villas.
Shopping. I got the onyx. I got the pie. A souvenir.
No, that pipe is for females.
The iron one. Have a down for a turtle. How's it called? The souvenir. The turtle. This is the bomb, the food bomb. You what? Make it. This is the feed bomb, the bomb.
Nice.
You fry it. $100 los imanes, jefa, ¿no? Ya sabía, me preguntaban.
Mexican, they are really talented. I'm just looking. I'm saying you guys are really talented.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And these are blankets.
Poncho. Poncho. That one's poncho. That one's blanket.
Blanket, this one. So this one you wear over.
Poncho. Yeah, it's poncho.
Nice warm blanket. Cool. Thank you. It's really beautiful. You can see there's people down there in the water swimming. You can see kids, adults. I think I need to go to the beach now. I'm heading back uptown to Vallarta.
Bye.
We used to have a whole road in Jamaica too.
Yeah.
Whole road. Whole road in Mexico.
No more in South Unidos, huh?
No,
No, it's
that's the last one.
Yeah. There's only one in Mexico. And Guadalajara maybe one more.
I had such a good time recording this video, going to all of these new places. I must say, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out.